Good afternoon, my name is Terrell and today we're going to be replacing the AC compressor on the Chevy Sonic. So, for starters, I had to evac the system, already did that. So now we're going to start taking the AC compressor apart. So, we're going to start off with the hoses up here. I like to disconnect those first, that one here, that one there. They're both 13 millimeter bolts. So we'll get those out of the way. Now we have both lines loose with a slight wiggle. That's the back end coming off the pump. I got those out the way. And now we're going to go from the bottom. I can at least disconnect it here as well. Have that out of the way. So now I'm going to lift it up and we're going to go from the bottom and unbolt the AC compressor. Alright, so now we got the car in the air. We can start unbolting the AC compressor. On here, there are 3 bolts. One here, and one at the top. And this is the connector right here that I took loose, so it's in the way. And we're going to leave that on because this whole black piece right here is going to move out of the way when I take that screw loose. So let's break these on the loose. Pull that out the way. I usually leave that bolt right there in that one and push it to the side. Up the AC hole so it stays out the way. Bring it on down. And one mental note to make, you want to check to see if any oil is in the compressor and measure how much oil is in the compressor. And that's what we got out there. This is the old one. Clutch stuck on this one. That's why it's a little discolored right there because it got overheated. Sitting right here. Got the new compressor. Comes with new seals. Got to make sure you have those. And you want to check the instructions to see if the compressor already has oil in it. If so, it should not have to add any more oil. This one has oil inside of it. So we're set to go. We'll probably add a little more when we recharge the system. I like to go ahead and put my new seals on the line before I put the compressor on. We have one here. It's the big seal. Slide that on. We have the little guy here. Sometimes it be stubborn. Got both new seals on. Alright, so next step, we grab this pretty dude here. I like to go ahead and take those off when I put it on so that I can just put the lines directly on it. Alright, so now we're going to tighten it down. We're going to start off with this one. Since I'm also right here with the drive belt, I'm going to go ahead and put that on as well. So now with that, we're going to connect these lines. Got that in. Alright, so we got both lines back connected. We got the drive belt back on. New compressor on and clicked in. Take my light and just go across areas and make sure there's not any leaks. see how you see that green right there from the hoses and the refrigerant? That's the dye we would be looking for, like anywhere on the hose or on the compressor. It'll show us like there's a leak in the system. But that's just from taking the hose on and off, like it lights off. And our AC compressor is still turning. Everything is secured. And that is a successful AC replacement. That's it. And thanks again. My name is Terrell. I'm an apprentice here at George Moore Chevrolet. Thanks for watching.